of sorts. You know who's going to love this? The sensible family. Let's go.
Unbelievable. Fucking hell.
Hour right about now. So we are going to be taking a small little commercial break. But do not worry, you can catch me on the other side. For
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. We wanted to reverse out of the one-way street.
bringing you that good vibe energy.
I'm going to fucking pull up and watch this cunt.
Why did you open the door? Idiot. He f***ed the door! He f***ed opened the door!
Did you see that Morrison's lorry? He just went right to the wrong side of the roundabout and everything. Now look at him! Look! You clown! Oh, these...
Is this yours? Is this your car? Or do you know whose it is?
Just take a photo. You can take a picture of the car.
You're stopped in the middle of the junction in a bike lane. You're taking a picture of the car so I'll be reported to the council.
Okay.
Right,
I am on deliveries, eh?
You're on double
so
red lines.
I am on deliveries. Where would you suggest the park?
Perhaps up there on the double red lines.
No, that's double red lines as well.
So are these, but at least
I get your thing.
at least
Okay.
you're not in the bike lane.
Thanks very much.
Right. Can you move your car?
I'm not. I've got to go and get my thing signed. So good luck.
Right.
Everyone's a policeman. Everyone's a traffic warden.
Good. There's a traffic warden. Excuse me! Right up. Wondering if you could give me a hand. There's a car stopped on the double red lines in the junction, in the bike lane, completely blocking the entrance. Spoken to the driver. He says everyone's a policeman and making a delivery, so why don't you go away? I'm wondering if you could have a word with him. Thank you very much. I appreciate what you're doing, by the way. It's much needed around here. Cheers. Have a good day. because I've got you on camera. That was a bad overtake.